Einstein. I made entrance into this world on March 14, 1879 in Ulm, Germany. When I was little, I used to enjoy playing with blocks and making houses out of playing cards. Some of them were at least 14 stories high. I believed that imagination was more important than knowledge. After graduating from Swiss Federal Polytechnic, I ended up taking a job at patent office. I think the dimension of time was as important as length, width, and depth, especially when measuring something really big like outer space. I also suggested the greatest scientific achievement of the 20th century is like electronic atom bomb, space travel. In 1905, I published a paper about relativity. It said that everything except light travels in different speeds upon different situations. I created a formula called E is equal to mc squared, which means when a little bit of mass is turned into energy, a whole lot of energy will be released. I won a Nobel Prize for thinking of the photoelectrical effect, which led to the invention of television. I claimed that space was curved. That is why a ray of light is there instead of traveling forever in a straight line that might return back to where it started. After analyzing full eclipse on November 14th, the news was announced that I was right. Light did bend. The whole world recognized that I was a genius. In 1921, I traveled to the USA, where the mayor of New York City personally welcomed me and presented me to the key to the city. In the same year, I won a Nobel Prize for physics for the services of theoretical physics. In 1940, I became a citizen of the United States, and for the rest of my life, I stayed at Preston, New Jersey. I wanted to donate my brain after my death. In 1955, Albert died, and his brain was kept by Dr. Harvey over 40 years for medical research.